Kabamba farms began with a modern number of pigs, but grew steadily. First profits were used to expand pens and fencing. Later, we invested in breeding stocks to ensure quality. Now, we are exploring feed mixing and partnership with butcheries to capture more values. Then our lesson: slow and steady growth builds lasting success. Suppose one of you wants to build a tower. Won't you first sit down and estimate the cost to see if you have enough money to complete it? That's Luke 14, verse 28. Careful planning is the foundation of sustainable growth.